Hello Internet, this is Nick from FrostyBot. Today I'm going to show you how to install Owncloud into Ubuntu Server 14.04. Owncloud is software that allows you to save, sync, and share your files over the Internet. You may have heard of similar services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, Apple's iCloud, or Microsoft's OneDrive. They all have the same idea except for one concept. Owncloud is open source. That means that you install it on your own server and you run your own software, all independent of any third-party companies. Anyway, enough of my rambling. Let's get on with the show. This video is sponsored by the South Okanagan Linux Users Group. They meet the first Wednesday of every month in Penticton. Check out solug.org for more information. I've already installed and updated Ubuntu 14.04 on a virtual machine. Please note this tutorial is based on a clean install. If you have any other apps such as LAMP installed, your mileage may vary. I've also already set up my DNS for our domain, so I'm all ready to connect. The only thing we have to do is install Owncloud. So first you want to open a browser and go to owncloud.org. If you scroll down the page, you'll find the host Owncloud for server owners. And what we're going to do is we're going to install from a package, so that way we get automatic updates. This warns us that it's going to take us to OpenSUSE's build service, which is fine. So we're not running 14.10, we're running 14.04 because that is the long-term support. And all we have to do is follow these simple steps here. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the key. So you just copy that, and then you connect to your server. So you install the key first. Then you run these commands. So we're going to add the repository. We're going to run an update, which will take some time. Whoops. And you want to make sure you install that key before you do this. And now we'll install Owncloud. Yes, I would like to install Owncloud. Okay, so I'm going to leave this running until it pops up with the MySQL configuration so you can see what's going on. And then I'll pause through the rest of it until the end. As you can see, if you already have PHP 5 installed, there may be issues. I doubt it. The package manager is pretty good. Here's the MySQL configuration. Enter your root password. And I'll just pause it from here and return when it is done. Okay, so I'm back. It took about 2 minutes to install all the packages and restart Apache. So now what we can do is we can go to our domain, and notice it's running. It's actually running in a subdirectory Owncloud, and I don't want it running in the subdirectory. I want it running root, but that's the Apache 2 default page. So we're just going to have to change some Apache configuration here to change that. So we run sudo, and then I'm going to use vi. And the site's available, and on Ubuntu it's 000 default. Then all we're going to do is change the document root here to Owncloud. Then we're going to write that file. and restart Apache.
Once Apache is restarted, we'll be able to refresh the page, and we'll see it's running at the root level now. First, you want to create an admin account. I'm going to create myself using my weak password, and then it will welcome you to Owncloud. Notice you can run it on Windows, OS X, Linux. This is for the client, of course. Android. There's an iPhone app. You can connect your calendar, your contacts, and access files via WebDAV. So all sorts of ways to connect, all of them, I think. And then you'll see your interface is up here. One thing that, because I have a base install, LibreOffice is not installed. So if you go up to your menu here and you choose Admin, scroll down to Documents. MS Word support, it requires OpenOffice or LibreOffice. Right now, if we test it, we're missing the binary file. So we want to install the binary file to be fully operational. To do that, we run sudo apt-get install no install recommends LibreOffice Writer. So install that. Yes, we want to install all those packages. So this will install LibreOffice to let you read Microsoft Word files and LibreOffice files right off the server, or preview them rather, not write them. So while it's installing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to the file system, and I'm actually going to go to Users. I'm going to create a new group for my company. And now I can assign, I can create a new folder, and I can actually share it with everybody else in my company. And so we see the install is completed, so we can go back to the admin. We can test it, and it's fully installed. So we've completed our install of Owncloud. You might want to set up HTTPS, almost definitely, in the future for secure sharing. And yeah, that's Owncloud.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, you can follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook.